Dear friends of the garage, today we have a very interesting topic. Again, we have now a topic with the handle of a Phoenix device. The Phoenix devices have been very popular in Germany in the 30s, 40s, and they have some specialities which I would like to discuss with you. The speciality is mainly in the handle of this device. So, if you open this device, you have three different parts. The one we take away, and now we have this part here, which has numbers on it, which is doing the intensity of the device. And here we have the coil part, and the coil part is also very special. Here we have the intensity regulation, and the trick here is that this movable tongue is giving the energy coming from the machine directly to the Tesla coil. And therefore, if you are working on this, please take care that there is really a connection of the cable to someone here to the base of this regulating mechanism, and ensure that here there is no oxidation on it, so the energy can flow in a good way. The Tesla coil. This is one of the most critical parts that we have in violet ray things. Here the Phoenix is a speciality which is very sensible, and which really easily can be damaged. So be careful if you open the devices and if you work with them. Make sure that you don't touch them at the primary coil. Take them here at the base or at the top, at the top, so that you see that you cannot destroy this very, very sensitive connections here. So what do we have? We have here contact points, and the contact points, they are leading to the primary coil. And as you see, these wires are soldered here to different places of the primary coil. And you can say the longer the distance that the primary coil runs onto the contact, the higher the intensity is. So this here is the maximum intensity of the device, and this is the starting intensity. As you see, they are soldered here, 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 here to the primary winding. So this shortens or makes the primary winding longer, and as longer the primary winding is, as stronger the intensity. So the contacts for this are here, and these contacts are to be used by this movable tongue that I showed you before. But there is another thing that you have to keep in your mind. The primary coil has two entrances. One entrance is here. This is what I showed you, and here is the entrance for the other end of the primary coil. So if you want to make this devices work, you have to connect here, which is the one end, and you have to connect here. And therefore, if everything of this has contact, the primary coil will work and fire. Okay. There is another problem with these devices. This is the soldering of these wires here. If you are not careful, or if history has done some damage, the soldering here is gone away, and there is no contact from this wire to the primary coil running in these circles around this core. And therefore, please check carefully if those solderings here are really connected to the primary coil. And if it's still not working, then check if these wires have a connection here to these little metal plates, because somehow, somewhen, this wires connections is destroyed. And these are the weaknesses of these Phoenix handles, and there is a lot of them. So if you are lucky, this coil is working, and if you are not lucky, maybe you read the repair handbook and you follow the ideas for optimization that I told you here in this video. Thank you very much.